Hi, my name is Constance Schurch. I'm originally from southern Chile and based in Florence, Italy since 2015. I'm here at the Academy making now the 2 weeks intensive course of engraving with Graver Max. I'm industrial designer, and when I finished the university, I entered directly to the office to work and was completely fine. I learned a lot, but I was empty inside and I could feel that. So after my job, I used to go to a jewelry school by night, just as a hobby, and I immediately fell in love. You can create so many amazing stuff in just a small space. At the beginning of my path, it wasn't easy at all. Actually, it was very hard because I arrived into a men's world. In Florence, they are mostly men. They are incredibly brave and good. So I was discouraged so many times, but that gave me even more strength to fight for what I love it, because I started feeling something inside and I decided not to cut, not to stop. Nowadays, after a lot of dedication and many years of sacrifice and discipline, I can say that I run my own jewelry business in Florence, and actually we are two in this dance. I'm with my partner, with my husband. We're both industrial designers. Last year we decided that it was the moment to make an upgrade in our careers, and in that moment I started looking for jewelry schools, and I arrived into Gerardi setting school. So we decided to come here personally a year ago, and we were very, very well welcome here. It was super nice, super warm, and when we arrived here and looking at all the equipment and all the technology and the way they teach and the vibe, we had no doubt. We enrolled immediately. I really enjoy the atmosphere here, to share with people that have the same passion, and even they are from different cultures. At the end, we all speak with the hands and with the heart, and that's a common language. For me, making jewelry means to being in a constant challenge with myself, breaking all my limits, because I work on bespoke pieces, and that means that there's no piece same as the other. I design and I create for people, so this allows me to connect with others and putting in the first place the humanity, and I use the jewelry as the main resource to connect with others. I think the technology is the best you can have for learning, because the trinocular microscope allows you to learn by doing, by looking. It's very comfortable. The structure of the course, the program is really motivated, because we combine many techniques, many different steps, reinforces that you really have to trust the process, because slowly you can see how a piece of metal start transforming. I arrived here with no expectation, just very open to learn, very flexible, but definitely I'm really surprised how much I was able to learn in such a short period of time. After completing our courses, I think we have a new range of possibilities at the moment of create a jewel with my customers. So that's our commitment, to create unique and special and the best as we can. I will suggest to come to the Academy to anyone that has a passion for the beauty and the well-made, for making with the hands, break the limit. This was definitely the best decision as a couple, as a business team, and as craftspeople that really love the beauty and the well-made handcraft pieces.